The first thing when I say teeth is people think of dentists and a toothbrush. Now with the increasing nature of people using electric toothbrushes, what's surprising is that people haven't actually been shown how to use them effectively. The way to use a toothbrush effectively is first to use it at a minimum of twice a day. First thing in the morning and last thing at night. With regards to your morning brushing, I don't mind whether you do it before breakfast or after breakfast. But at night time, definitely the last thing you should do before you sleep is you brush your teeth. The reason I say that is because when you're sleeping, that's when your mouth gets dry, that's when you're most likely to get problems such as dental decay. And that's why brushing at night is so important. With regards to how you brush your teeth, so I would recommend you use an electric toothbrush. The reason for that is because you can achieve a much better level of dental health a lot easier using an electric toothbrush. So the way in which to use an electric toothbrush is firstly to make sure it touches the gum and the tooth at the same time. That means it touches where the pink goes to white. The reason for that is most of the bugs in your mouth will be sitting at that gum line where the gum meets the tooth, and they're the ones that will cause the gum disease that will cause you later problems in the future. The second important thing to remember when you're using a toothbrush is to actually apply gentle but firm pressure at the same time. Now that's difficult to describe, which is why I recommend you use an electric toothbrush, as the majority of them on the market have pressure sensors. This means they'll light up red or stop spinning if you're brushing too hard. If you brush too hard, it could cause recession of your gums. It will make your gums shrink. And that's why I recommend once again using an electric toothbrush with gentle, firm pressure twice a day at the gum line.